y buenos días. Today I want to talk about how to aprender vocabulario, how to learn vocabulary. Aprender is an easy word because we have the word apprentice and an apprentice learns. So we need to aprender mucho vocabulario, muchas palabras. And today I want to tell you how to do that and give you a practical ejemplo of how to do that. So on Pasos, página 57, there is una lista de 18 palabras. How are we going to learn those? The first thing to do is check what they mean in inglés. So we've got la lista en español y la lista en inglés. Now, I'd like to tell you a lovely little word, little phrase, which means if I were you. It's so simple. Yo que tú. If I were you. And to say I would is a simple structure in español. You just add ia to the end of an infinitive verb. Yo que tú memorizaría las palabras en inglés para comenzar. So the best way to do that when you've got una lista grande, como 18 palabras, is to put them into groups. Agrupar las palabras. Maybe something like this. Then instead of having una lista de 18, you've got a few lists of a lot smaller groups, which are much easier. Para los cerebros viejos. Once you've got las palabras en inglés, you know what you're going to aprender. ¿Qué vas a aprender? Next, yo que tú escribiría dos listas. Una lista de palabras fáciles. Now, fácil means easy. If you facilitate something, you make it easy. Una lista de las palabras fáciles. Y una lista de las palabras más difíciles. Bien. Hay que estudiar las palabras difíciles. Hay que conectar las palabras españolas con ideas inglesas. Por ejemplo, calefacción central. So I would connect that. Yo conectaría esa palabra with calories and action, which produce heat. So central heating comes from our calories, our action, nuestra calefacción central. Next word, we have juegos de niños. Now, juegos means the games or things to play with. So I would imaginar a los niños playing with juggling balls, and then I've got that J and G, juggle, juego, in the play park. Next up is la peluquería, which is a hairdresser's, and that's the most foreign word. So, imaginaría a peculiar hairdresser with a peculiar haircut. And then I would try to remember that a hairdresser is una peluquería. Then we've only got two left really, because I'm grouping the next two, which are piscina and pista, because they both start with pis, which is a bit vulgar, but let's go with una piscina is where the Pisces swim, because Pisces is the sign of the fish. So una piscina for the Pisces among us, and una pista de tennis, I would think of a tennis machine with a piston firing out tennis balls. So that's one. And then the last one is this sala de fiestas, which is a party room, or salon de televisión. So then I would think of a saloon where they're having either a party, a sala fiestas, or watching television, salón televisión. Bueno, el próximo paso, after you've made those conexiones, after you have estudiado, después de que hayas estudiado las palabras, is to test yourself. So you can either write out the English and try to translate it, or you can try to see how many, cuántas de las palabras puedes recordar, and give yourself un límite, 2 minutos, 3 minutos. And then estudiaría las palabras that I couldn't remember, que no pudo recordar. ¿Sí? Y darles más atención. ¿Por qué? Es la atención con que aprendemos. And then, once you've done that, if you have the Pasos book, you're ready to match up the symbols con las palabras, which is actividad 12. And that's how aprendería el vocabulario. I hope that you can aprender esas 18 palabras. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson. If you have, subscribe to the channel, like the video, y nos vemos aquí muy pronto. Gracias for watching y adiós.